Hey, hi everyone. So as I promised in my last video that I will going to discuss the use cases and the differences between the rank, tense rank and row number. So today I have came with the same approach and I am going to discuss about these three topics. And why only these three topics? Because I have seen multiple times in at the time of interview that candidates got confused that where we need to use the rank, where we need to use tense rank, and how it will work in behind the scenes. So today I am going to discuss these three. I have already, as you can see in my on my screen, that I have already taken some of the data sets here to illustrate more better, and I cannot use to write these create a statement and insert into statements at the real time videos when I am creating it. So just for the sake of time, I have used these two tables. One is the employees and another one is the employees promotion. We will discuss more about this later. But these two tables I have created, I have already filled the data needs to be utilized in the while we are going to discuss this one. And also we have a problem statement here which we will solve in our today's video. But before jumping into that part, let's look into what are these? What is the row number, dense rank, how we are going to use that part. So let's jump into an Excel file. Okay, I have already created a table here where we are having the employee ID, employee name, and salary. And here we will look that what is the row number, rank, and dance rank we will get it for here. But before discussing it, first we need to know what is row number. So row number is a Windows function which will provide a unique number to each row. And once I say the unique number to each row, that means so row number, what we will do, row number will assign a unique sequential number to each row. Means we will look into it here, but it will assign a unique sequential number to each row within a window or partition. It will start from 1, and also it will numbering the rows in order regardless of any ties. Suppose if we are having here 12,000 and 12,000, so it will not make any difference. It will just give the row number here. So in a nutshell, row number is what? Row number will provide a unique sequential number to each row. Okay. So with this definition, if I will ask you to give the row number on the salary column, okay, then how we will do it? As it already mentioned, it will give a unique sequential number. So it will start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? This is the row number. It has provided a unique number to each row. Now, if I will look into what is rank. So, rank assigns a rank to each row based on the order within a window partition. What I mean to say that if it assigns a rank to each row, right? It assigns a rank to each row. Once I say the rank to each row, so suppose we are having the duplicates here. So if I am giving it here as 1, so how it can be 2? Because it's assigning a rank, not a number, right? So if there are ties, then the same rank will be given. Understand it correctly that a rank, what it will do, it will give a rank to each row. And if I am giving a rank to each row, suppose we have 5 students in a class, and two students from them, we have created a test, and from that the 2 students got 10 out of 10. Then who will be the first? both 2, right? Because they both have the 10 out of 10 marks. That's the same behavior we will do into the rank. If it assigns a rank to each row, and if there are ties, then it will assign the same rank. Okay, with this definition, what it will do, let's do it here now. Salary, we are having 12,000, 12,000 for these two row, right? So rank 1, okay. And for this one, sorry, I just not told you before, but to create the rank or row number or dance rank, the data should be in any order. So I have already kept this data in an order of salary with the descending order. So that's why the data you can see here in this way. If you will not keep the data in descending or ascending order, then it will not work efficiently. So what it will do, so now the data is here 12,000, 12,000. So the rank is 1, 1, right? Then what it will do? It is now 10,000. So one more thing. I have told you that rank, what it will do, it will gives the rank to each row, and if there is a tie, then it will give the same rank. If there is a tie, then it will give the same rank. Now what it will do with the third row? Now we are having 12,000, 12,000 for those two rows. Now what it will do with the third row, which is having the 10,000 values. So if there is a tie, then it skips the subsequent ranks. Means now here 1, 1. So now we have utilized in, if you will think behind the scenes, so here 1, now it should be 2, right? That this data should be 2 and this should be 3. But now we have used two rows for the same rank 1, 1. So then it will not do here as 2. What it will do, it will skip that subsequent rank and now we'll proceed with third here with 3. Okay, making sense? So in same way, now think 8,500 we are having the 3 times. So for sure now it's going to be 4, then again 4, then again 4. Now if we have used 4, 4, 4 3 times, then what it should be? So it should be now 7, right? Because we have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it will skip the subsequent ranks. So now it will be 7, then again 7, and now 8. Not 8, sorry, 9. Because it will again skip this subsequent rank. Making sense? I hope row number and rank will be clear to now. Clear to you guys all of now. Now let's look into the dense rank. Okay. So now dense rank, what it will do? It will work similar to rank based on any order, like we have created the data set in an ascending or descending order, but we have created with a descending order. And it will also gives the rank to each row, okay. And if the same data comes, then the same, if there is any ties, then it will gives the same rank to that row as well, but it will not skip the subsequent ranks. Okay, what I mean to say that if it will work same as it is rank. Okay, so what it will do, it will have two rows with the same number, so 1, 1, but in the third row it is having 10,000. So what it will do, it will not skip the rank. Now what it will do, it will give here 2. Now here it will give it as 3. Now here again 3, now here again 3. It will give it as 4, 4, and here as 5. I hope you understand the difference between row number, rank, and dance rank. In row number, it will give all the unique rows to each row. In rank, it will give the rank to each row, and if there is any tie, then it will use the same rank, and in the next iteration it will skip the subsequent rank. But in the dense rank, it will work same as it is rank, but it will not skip the subsequent rank. It will use that part, and that is how it will work. I hope you guys understand it now, till now, that how the row number, rank, and dense rank will work. Now let's jump into the our problem statement, and let's look into that part, and let's try to solve it. Now let's jump into the MS SQL, and let's go through the problem statement once. So problem statement is, a company wants to analyze employee performance. As we all are going with the corporate culture, so we know that at regular interval of time, company wants to analyze their employee performance for the performance and salary distributions across the different departments. Now the HR team needs to generate the key insights, such as top three highest paid employees in each department. And why the top three highest paid employees in each department? Because every department have some certain budget, and they will provide this in the same budget. They will provide the data. They will provide the salary to each of the employee. So they will look into that. What are the top three highest paid employees in each department? So they can distribute it much in efficient way. Also, employees promoted multiple times within the same year to detect the rapid promotions. Might be there are some scenarios where employees get the multiple promotions within the same year. So on those scenarios, they want to look the data. Also, at the first hire of each department every year. We will also discuss one or two more scenarios into it, but for as of now, let's look into it and try to solve it out. Okay, so I have created this data set as I have mentioned earlier before. Okay, we have two tables. One is the employee and another one is the employee promotions. And I let's run it out. I have created tables within the temporary table, and I have inserted the data as well, and you can see the data here. Now our first task, what our first task is, let's copy it out. Top three highest paid employees in each department. Okay, so let's go through one the what are the sorry let's go through ones that in the employee table we have employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and joining date. And in the promotion table, we are having the promotion ID, employee ID, promotion date, and new salary. Okay, so now utilizing these two tables, let's try to solve the highest paid employees in each department. If we will look the highest paid employees in each department, then let's see how we can achieve it. Select star from employees. Okay. Okay. Here we will give the name what we are looking for. We are looking for employee ID. Yes. Then what else we need? Employee name we can take. Okay, what else we need? Department, because from the each department we are looking the data. And then salary. Yes. And then what else we need? Yes, I think employee ID, employee name, department, salary. Yes, these all things we are looking for. Okay, now we need a rank function. Okay, here we will use the rank function. I will tell you why, so you will understand it. But let's solve this one first. Rank. Now here this is a schema that we need to use syntax. I can say rank, then over we need to use that on what basis you want to use the rank. So I need to use the rank on first on the department basis, right? So use the partition by department. And then I have already told you while I was explaining the row number, rank, and dance rank that it should be in any order. So just make it an order by salary descending, right? As give as a name as rank. Okay. And now let's run it. Sorry, my bad. Okay. It has given the rank. Now let's do one thing because we need only top three. So what we will do with salary ranked as, and here give I have just given a CTE name here, not anything else I have done. So to create a CTE, we need to use it starting with the with statement, then the CTE name. You can give it here anything. If you want to give here ABC, that will also work, but it should make some sense. So that's why I have given salary ranked. Then as we should need to the data explanation that what type of data it should be and what are the queries. So I have given here. Now we will utilize this one. So what we will do, select star from salary ranked, where rank, now this rank, right, where rank is lesser than equals to 3, right? Now let's see. So you can see now in the rank we have for the finance department. Let's understand the data. In the finance department we are having 1 2 3, means we are having the top three salaries are 1,25,000, 1,18,000, and 1,15,000. In the HR we are having 85,000, 80,000, and 78,000. Till now we have not seen any of the tie-ups. But now look into the IT. In IT, we are having 1,45,000, 1,45,000, 1,40,000, and 1,40,000. So here we are having four rows, right? But you will see in rank it's 1 1 and 3 3. 2 is not there. If we will keep 2 here as well, then what it will do, 1 1 2 2, right? So rank would be the more efficient way that ensures that employees with the same salary get the same rank, skipping numbers appropriately. Okay. Now if I will use here 2, right? If I will use here 2, 1 1 and 2 2, then what it will do in the output, it will take 1 1 2 2 and then 3. So then we will have the 5 number of data here. But we are looking from the data perspective. We are just looking from the top 3. So you will say that if you are looking only top 3, then why we are having the 4 rows? Because the same data is here, right? The same data we are having here. Someone can argue on it that 1,45,000 is 1 1 here, and 1,40,000 1,40,000 is 2 2 here. So this, on the salary basis, this is only top 2 salaries. Where is the top 3 salary? So the top 3 highest paid employees we have mentioned here. Highest paid employees, not the top 3 salary we are asking here. So that's why just keep in mind. Okay. So just to illustrate it more better, let's utilize this one with the dance rank, where I have already mentioned that dance rank will not skip the data, will not skip the rows, right? So if we will use this in this way, so in the IT department, now you can see 1 1 2 2 3. Now is on the top three salaries, not the top three. Uh, Now it's having the top three salaries, not the top three employees who is earning highest paid employees, right? We have mentioned here highest paid employees, not the top three salaries from the each department. So look into the question first. Pupils will get confused here that highest paid employees are top three salaries. So think in that way. Actually, these are having very light difference, very narrow differences into it, but we need to think that where we are utilizing it and what is the question behind it. I think I made my point here. And also some of you guys might will see that the newer salary is available after the promotion into the salary promotion employee promotion table. So yes, that is also possible, but for the sake of understanding I have just utilized in query in this way, so you will understand the difference between rank, dance rank and row number. Okay, now let's see the our another question that now let me write it down downwards. Now let's see detecting employee with multiple promotions in the same year. Okay, so what I will do, if we need to check multiple promotions in the same year for an employee, so what it will do, so now see, understand the question first. We need to get those data where we having the multiple promotions in the same year. So we need the two data sets. One is select star from hash employee, just give the name it as E, and then also we need join hashtag employee promotions. I'm giving it here as a name as P on E dot employee ID, P dot employee ID. Okay, now what we are looking it out from here, we need E dot, for the ambiguous error I'm just using the alias names here, E dot employee ID. Then what we need, E dot employee name. Then what else we need, E dot department. Then what else we need, P dot promotion date. Promotion date is available into the uh, employee promotion table, P dot promotion date. And then what else we require, we need the employee with the multiple promotions in the same year. So now we can use our Windows function. So what Windows function we will use? We will use tenth rank again over, on what basis we need to use? So partition by what? Partition by employee ID, because we need to check the data on employee basis, right? So P dot employee ID. So you will think that here we have used the E dot employee ID, and why we are using here the P dot employee ID. We are using the P dot employee ID because the P we have taken for the employee promotions, and in the employee promotions we are also having the employee ID column is available there. So P dot employee ID, and we need to get the promotion date, but in the promotion date the data is available in the date format and we need the data in year format. So what we will do, P dot promotion date and year, P dot promotion date And then what we need to do, we need to do a order by, as I have already mentioned that we need to use the order by p dot promotion date. On the promotion date we can check. I think I'm not making any mistake as of now. Okay, now let's see if it will work. So here we can see that in the employee ID 11 Alice Johnson got promoted on 10th of 2020 and 20 of 20 April of 2022. So let's do one thing. Let's give here one more thing, which is joining date. E dot joining date. I think now it will make more sense. So Alice Johnson has joined on, sorry, my bad. It's not a mistake, but looking at the data, it should be in this way. So let's see. Alice Johnson has joined on 15th Feb 2018 and he has got promoted till now with the two times, which is in once in 2020 and second in 2022. And the dance rank is 1-1. Now let's think why we are having the dance rank as 1-1. If an employee receives multiple promotions with the same year, they will be ranked consecutively without skipping numbers, right? So here we are not having any, for the Alice Johnson, we cannot see that the multiple promotions within the same year. But do we have any data? Yes, we are having here. So see, Victor Stewart joined in 2016 and got promotions two times in a year. But here think if we will use something else, then how it will work. Suppose this is the data set and now take this one as well. Now let's run both. See, here we are having, okay, let me do in this way. Let me copy this data. Sorry, this video is going to be a bit longer, but you will understand it in a much, much better way. This is the use of tens rank. This is the use of rank. Are we seeing any difference here? No? Here we are having 28 rows. Here we are having 28 rows. Then where is the difference? See, I don't think we are having any difference as of now, and that's why we have used this data set, because here what we can see in the dense rank or in the rank, we are there is a very narrow difference. There is a very narrow difference, and to use and to thought in that way that where our best use of rank and dense rank we can utilize it. So I can utilize here rank and dense rank both. Are you getting my point? Means if you will see at the data set, I will just give a see here. Okay, one more column, and now you will see that for the every row we are having nowhere as false. See, we are nowhere having as false because in this problem statement we can utilize rank and dense rank both. Okay, that's why I have illustrated this one. Now let's look at a different problem statement where we need to use uh, only where we can utilize only the dense rank. Okay, now let's see. Rank employees by total promotions. Okay, so let's see. I will give here as select staff from employees E, join employees promotions P on E dot employee ID P dot employee ID. Okay, and what I need the rank employees by total promotions. Okay, so for the total promotions what I need the E dot, let's update here, P dot employee ID E dot employee name E dot department and then count P dot promotion ID promo ID as total promotions. Making sense? Now what we will do, we have utilized here, so we need to group by, or let's copy it out, group by this. Sorry, my bad, I have mentioned at a different, very incorrect location. So from, yeah, now let's look at the data. You will think where we have used any of the Windows function. We have not used any of the Windows function as of now, but we will use it. So here we are having this one. Okay, so just for the sake of understanding, I will do it right away here. Order by, let's do department and then employee name. Okay, department is we are taking from E dot department, employee name E dot employee name. Now you will understand this data set in a much better way. So you see, in the department finance, we are having count Brian Palmer got 2 promotions. Uh, Rachel Evans from the finance got 2 promotions. Amy is got 2 promotions, and same and so forth we have here, right? So this is the data set now we are having. Now what we will do, we will keep it in a CT. So let's do with promo count as Okay, now let's select from promo count and give here employee ID, employee name, department, and then total promotions, and then dense rank over on what basis we have to do. We are already having the here dense, we are already having the count, we got from here, right? To one everything on the each employee from the each department who got the promotions on the employee ID, on employee ID we have taken now. And our question is now a bit different: rank employees by total promotions. Okay, so how many promotions they have got, on that basis we need to give the rank. Okay, so now on the total promotions we have to give, so all over, and we do not need to give any order by we sorry any partition by, because it's already we have kept the count. So now over what we have to do, order by total promotions descending as promotion rank. Now if you will look this data set, so it will make more sense to you. Sorry, I have given here because I have used it for the sake of understanding, but in the CT we cannot use any order by. So let's look this. Now see, Alice Johnson got 2 promotions, so their rank is 1 here. So same with the Bob Smith, same with the Franklin and David Ons and some others. So now you will see in the dense rank. Okay, let's see if we will use here as rank. Just keep in mind this data set. Here we are having 1 1 1 1 1, then here we are having 2 2 2. But before running this rank query, what should be the output? Just think in your mind for a moment, then you will understand this data set much better and you will understand the concept. So keep a pause here and first try with your side. So what it will do, it will count in the rank. What it will do, it will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So till here it will give 1 1 1 1 1, and from going forward here it will start from 10, because till here it have used the 9 IDs, because in rank it will skip the rows, the subsequent rows, right? So what it will do now, let's see here. You got my point? This is the major difference between rank and dense rank. So here the dense rank will work much efficient way, because we have to rank the employees by total promotions. It's not something that here we are having one, then we are giving 10. Then our seniors will ask where is the rank 2, 3, 4 has been gone, right? So in that way we have to manage in this way, that it will gives the rank, and that's why we have used this problem statement, where it will illustrate in a much better way that where we need to use the rank and dense rank in a more efficient way. In the above example, we will use dense rank or rank, it will work in the same way. And what is the question here? That detecting employees with the multiple promotions in the same year. Okay. Okay, now let's jump into the row number. So what we will do, I will do I will this part with a single problem statement, which is latest promotion for each employee. Latest promotion for each employee. Okay. If we will do in this way. So we need the latest promotion for each employee. So we need both the tables. So let's join both the tables first. Select star from employee E, join employees promotions P on E dot employee ID P dot employee ID. Okay, and here what we will do, we are looking for E P dot employee ID. Okay, then we need E dot employee name. See, this is the data set you need to remember, right? I have created this data set, so I remember that which column is available where. E dot joining date, then P dot promotion date, and P dot new salary. Okay, what I'm looking here, latest promotion for each employee. So our promotion here, we need to check. So till now, what now, latest promotion for each employee. Okay, so now what we will do, we will give here as a row number over on what basis we need to take. We need to take for each employee. So over partition by P dot employee ID order by P dot promotion date. We can give, yeah, promotion date, yeah, we will give promotion date descending as row number. Okay, now let's run it first. So here we are having Alice Johnson have joined on 15th of Feb 2018, and promotion he has got on 2022 on the first, the latest one, and the previous that, it was the 2020. And what we need, latest promotion for each employee. So what we will do now, we have done here. So if suppose if someone, here we are having 28 rows, right? So you can see here we are having 28 rows. So now let's see, let's give this as with latest promotion it is, right? So let's give the name in this way, latest promotion as this. Correct. Let's copy all these. Just for the sake of time I am doing it. Otherwise, if you are doing it for the first time, just try to write it, so you will remember the column names in your daily practice. From latest promotion, okay, where Rn equals to 1. We require only one. See, we require that part where the latest promotion is available. We are not looking the previous promotion. The latest promotion where it is available, just show that part. Okay. Now let's run this one. So we are having the 19 rows, means the 19 employees got the promotion, we can say, and also the latest data is available here. Promotion date is available here. Okay. Now you are thinking, what if we will try this with the rank or tense rank? Let's try it out. Tense rank. Rank I will keep a task for you guys to look. So here we are having something this. So now you have to think, because I have already illustrated the row number, rank and dance rank. In the previous example, I have told you that how we are going to utilize that part. In the 10th rank here I have utilized. Now you have to think that where we need to use and how I will utilize that part. Okay. So I have used here with the row number. You have to think that which is the best possible answer for it. Okay. Now for you guys to practice it out, you guys will check it out that what should be the a good question to utilize the row number. Also how we can utilize it with the other Windows functions as well. Also to give you a more context or more understanding on it, I am giving you a problem statement to just do a practice here. So what we need to try it out here is that a bank wants to identify fraudulent transactions by analyzing customers' transactions data. So I will give you this data set in my comment box in my description, and from there you do not need to write the create table or the insert into. These two things I will provide you in my description of this video. And then you have to analyze the fraud detection team needs to detect the top three highest transactions amount per customer per month, duplicate transactions within a short time frame, and the first transactions for each customer per day. Try to solve this one utilizing the rank, dance rank or row number Windows function, not with any other concept. Then you will understand that where to use and how to use these Windows functions. But if you will find any difficulties at any point of time to solve it out, just put it in put it into the comment box. I will solve your question and I will solve your question and help you out to understand this one. So I think that is it for the today's video. It's already been a longer video till now, but to illustrate any of the problem statement and any of the topics, sometimes it takes much time. So it will be make more easy for you guys to understand it. So I think I am done for today. Keep learning, keep growing. We will meet you into the next video. Till the time, goodbye.